I am in my living room and it is 8:21 at night and everyone's sleeping. It's kind of boring. Very boring. Oh, and it's snowing outside. It is fucking snowing. You want to see the snow? I'll try to show you the snow. Hold up. Okay. Let me. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but it's snowing. I'll have to take you outside to see. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Oh, it's beautiful. See the snow? Dummy, it's snowing. So exciting. Snow on January 9th. Oh shit. Fucking snowing. Honestly, I didn't know it was snowing until my boyfriend texted me and was like, it's fucking snowing. Oh shit. Amazing. Okay, let's go back on the floor. Okay. I'm gonna make this video because I'm pretty bored. And like hyper. Really hyper. My hair looks like shit. I need to take a shower. But I don't feel like it. Nope. Don't feel like it one bit. Do you want to see my dog? He's a hairy dog. Boy, come here. Come here. Let's get a treat. He don't want to come. You get it? He don't want to come. LOL. Hold on, let me get him. I hate the voices I make with my puppy. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Look at the camera. Oh, wait, no. I'm so cute. Do it. My boyfriend loves that dog. Yep. He's kind of weird. Yeah, so I'm bored. I'm gonna go play out in the snow. Text my boyfriend. So, doopses.